If you're seeing a Grammarly sign in error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account without the frustration. These solutions work whether you're using Grammarly in your browser or through the desktop app. And the good news is that most login problems can be solved in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open an incognito or private browsing window and try signing in to Grammarly again. This is one of the best first steps because Incognito Mode ignores a lot of the stored browser data that can interfere with login. If Grammarly works in incognito, that usually means your normal browser cache or cookies are causing the sign-in issue. At that point, you'll want to clear that data from your browser. If you're using Chrome, go into your settings and look for site data or clear browsing data. Make sure you remove cached files and the cookies, then close the browser completely and try logging into Grammarly again. This step often fixes login loops, pages that won't load properly, or sign-in buttons that don't respond the way they should. If that still doesn't solve the problem, the next thing to check is your network connection. Firewalls, antivirus software, proxies, and VPNs can sometimes block Grammarly's login servers without you realizing it. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and try again. If you have a firewall or antivirus running with web protection features, pause them briefly and test the sign-in page again. If you're on a work or school network, that network itself may be restricting access, so try a different connection if possible, such as mobile data or a home network. If you're using the Grammarly desktop app and the issue is still happening, the best move is to reinstall the app. Start by logging out of Grammarly if you can, then uninstall the desktop app from your computer. After that, download the newest version directly from Grammarly's official desktop app page and install it fresh. A clean reinstall can fix corrupted files, outdated versions, or app issues that cause sign-in errors. Once the app is reinstalled, open it again and try logging in one more time. In many cases, one of these four methods will solve the Grammarly sign-in error completely. So to recap, try incognito mode first, clear your browser cache and cookies, check whether your VPN, firewall, or antivirus is blocking access, and reinstall the desktop app if needed. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next until you get back in. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue quickly. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another Grammarly problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.